Chain rule. So, ano nga ba ang chain rule? Chain rule is a formula that expresses the derivative of the composition of the two differentiable functions f and g in terms of derivative of f and g. So, ito yung gagamitin formula para mahanap ang derivative. For example, ito. Finding the derivative of 2x plus 5 raised to 4. So, dahil nga ito ay u, symbols ng u, at ito naman ng n. Ito yung gagawin din natin. Na kung saan magiging 4. Copy lang to 2x plus 5. 4 minus 1 times yung u prime. Which is yung derivative nito. Derivative nito ay 2. At ito naman ay 0. Kaya magiging 2 lang siya. Next is, ipagka-times natin tong 4 at 2 na magiging 8. Tapos copy ulit to. At ito naman ay magiging 3. So, ito yung final answer. Next naman is finding the derivatives of sine 6x. Ayan. So, dito naman, ang gagawin is, hanapin yung derivative ng sine, which is cosine, tapos copy ulit yung u, 6x. Yan. And, yung prime ng 6x, I mean yung derivative, which is 6. Na magiging, ang final answer ay magiging 6 cosine 6x. So, next example is finding the derivative of cosine x squared. So, kagaya din yung sa una, kung ano yung derivative ng cosine, which is negative sine. Then, copy to x squared. Then, times sa derivative ng x squared, which is 2x. Na magiging, pag nilagay na dito is negative 2x sine x squared. So, ayun yung final answer. Ganyan magsagot ng gamit sa chain rule.